Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate Oreo cake. First, combine your dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry, mixing until just combined. Pour the batter into your prepared 9-inch cake pan. Bake your cake in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once baked, allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake cools, prepare your frosting. Cream together 1 cup of unsalted butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Then, fold in 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed Oreo cookies. Once your cake layers are completely cool, use a serrated knife to level them if needed, ensuring a flat surface for stacking. Place the first cake layer on your serving plate and spread a thick, even layer of the Oreo buttercream over the top. Carefully place the second cake layer on top and repeat the frosting process. Finally, frost the sides of the entire cake, smoothing it out with an offset spatula. For a beautiful finish, decorate the top with whole or roughly crushed Oreo cookies. After decorating, place your chocolate Oreo cake in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time helps the frosting set firmly, making it much easier to slice and serve. Once chilled, remove the cake and cut it into generous slices. This rich, decadent dessert is perfect for any occasion, from a casual family gathering to a special celebration. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.